With the prices of a lot of major cryptocurrencies going up again and the market getting bullish again, it is definitely worth it to take a look at some of the biggest cryptocurrencies again and see how they are moving, in what way, and do a short technical analysis on them. So if you are interested in a technical analysis of the Cardano cryptocurrency, then definitely stick around, because in this video I will go over a technical analysis I did yesterday and I will tell you some of the buy and sell areas I found. So welcome back everyone to this video. In this video I will review a technical analysis I did on the TradingView account of this YouTube channel. I will leave a link in the description of the analysis, and also then you can find the account. So today, as I said, we will be on TradingView and we are looking at a chart of the Cardano cryptocurrency on Binance. For cryptocurrencies that sometimes matters on what side you are taking a look at it. We are at the 4-hour time frame, and this is the analysis I did. First I'm going to tell you something about how I do my technical analysis, because I use a number of things. Most notably I use trend lines, and I use 4 EMAs with the periods of 200, 100, 50 and 28, all color coded. Then I also occasionally use Fibonacci retracement, as you see here. To adjust that a little bit. So I use Fibonacci retracement when it is possible and when I see a good Fibonacci to be drawn. And then probably most importantly, I also take a look at key levels. Key levels are practically levels where support and or resistance has occurred a lot. So like right here, this was resistance, and I think it will form support right here. So in this technical analysis, I have located 2 buy areas and 1 sell area. But I think the buy areas are way stronger than the sell area, and the sell area is definitely only a day trade. It is not to hold. I think fundamentally it is not good to short the cryptocurrency market at this point of time. I think if you look at the technical analysis of a lot of cryptocurrencies, I do more analysis on this channel but also on my TradingView account. I think that the technical analysis shows that it's very bullish, and some other fundamental reasons like the growing user base on Coinbase and stuff, all those things tell me that the cryptocurrency market is in for another bullish ride. So now let's get into this particular technical analysis. The buy areas are mostly focused around this trend line. I think this trend line is going to be very strong, especially the third touch. I think it will be a very good day trade, but I also think it will be a good place to buy and hold. If it reaches the trend line again, it might also rocket up. So on this trend line, I located 2 good buy areas. The first one being here, around the 1.5 area. I would put my buy at the 1.5. Then if it's a trade, I would put my stop loss at this level, 1.4344. And if it is not, I would just buy at 1.5 and hold it. So that is valid in this time frame. So 3 days. 2 days from now. You can see where the box is. If it hits the box, it's good. And then also this one, which is around the 1.6 psychological key level, but also a little bit higher. This key level comes from these resistance or these supports and this resistance, and it also hits a little bit of resistance there. So this could be a very good trade, but it could also be a good point from which you can enter Cardano, from which you can buy Cardano to gain a nice profit short term or long term. So yeah, those are the main buy areas. Again, this one is I think it's good from the 21st to the 24th, and a little bit more high risk because as you can see, the Fibonacci here I've drawn here has already held at 0.236. So if it does not go over this point, if it does go over this point, they have to redraw the Fibonacci. If it doesn't, I think you can also place a buy at the 0.382 Fibonacci, but I would only do that as a trade. I think you can get into better places for a long-term holding position, although this would be fine. And then I also have located one sell area right here, which is purely based on that key level. But what it tends to do, what cryptocurrencies tend to do, is when there's a large bullish run, there will be some levels at which it will find resistance, and you can make a nice trade out of it. This is then also only a trade sell area. I wouldn't hold it from there, as I said earlier. And that's purely based on when it found resistance here, then support on it. Then it did not really find support on it again, but it did quite here with this red candle where I'm on right now. And then it found resistance again. So I think this is an interesting area to look out for. Personally, I wouldn't take it, but I think there is a 60% chance that a nice short trade can be placed here. So that was the explanation of this technical analysis. If you want to find it, I will put a link in the description. And if you have any questions, or if you want to see technical analysis on another cryptocurrency or an index or a stock, let me know and I will try to make that work for you. As for now, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.